Hello everyone. In this video we will do chapter number 9, algebraic expressions and identities. Exercise 9.5, question number 5. Show that 3x plus 7 whole square minus 84x is equal to 3x minus 7 whole square. In this question, firstly we will solve the left hand side, and after that we will do the simplifications on right side, and we are to show that the left hand side is equal to right hand side. So firstly take the left hand side. Left hand side is 3x plus 7 whole square minus 84x. This is the kind of a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square is equal to a square minus plus 2ab plus b square. Here the value of a is 3x and b is 7. So do the simplifications, substitute the values. 3x square plus 2 multiplied by 3x multiplied by 7 plus 7 square minus 84x remain same. 3x square is 9x square plus 3 2's the 6, 6 7's the 42x plus 49 minus 84x. Now arrange the like terms. 9x square plus 42x minus 84x. It will be subtracted. So 84 minus 42 is minus 42x plus 49. Now do the simplification on right side. Right hand side is 3x minus 7 whole square. In this we will use the identity a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here a is equal to 3x, b is equal to 7. Now substitute the values. 3x square minus 2 multiplied by 3x multiplied by 7 plus 7 square. This is 9x square minus 3 2's the 6 7's the 42x plus 49. Now left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence proved. Next part is 9p minus 5q whole square plus 180pq is equal to 9p plus 5q whole square. Again we will firstly solve the left hand side, which is equal to 9p minus 5q whole square plus 180pq. Now this is a minus b whole square type, which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now substitute the values. The value of a is 9p and b is 5q. So 9p square minus 2 multiply 9p multiply 5q plus 5q whole square plus 180pq. Now 9p square is equal to 81p square minus 9 2's the 18, 5's the 90, 90pq plus 25 q square plus 180pq. Now arrange the like terms. 81p square minus 90pq plus 180pq. It will be plus 90pq plus 25 q square. Now do the simplifications on right side, which is equal to 9p plus 5q square. Now in this we will use a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now the value of a is 9p, 9p square plus 2 multiply 9p multiply 5q, 5q whole square. Square of 9p is 81p square plus 2 9's the 18, 5's the 90pq plus 25q square. Now you can see that the value of right side is equal to left side. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence proved. Next part is 4 by 3m minus 3 by 4n whole square plus 2mn is equal to 16 by 9m square plus 9 by 16n square. Now solve the left hand side, which is equal to 4 by 3m minus 3 by 4n whole square plus 2mn. Now this is the type of a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now substitute the values. A is 4 by 3m and b is 3 by 4n. This is equal to 4 by 3m square minus 2 multiplied by 4 by 3m multiplied by 3 by 4n plus 3 by 4n whole square plus 2mn. Now 4 by 3m square is 16 by 9m square minus 3 and 3 cancel, 4 and 4 cancel, so this is 2mn minus 2mn plus 9 by 16n square plus 2mn. Now 16 by 9m square minus 2mn plus 2mn cancel each other plus 9 by 16 n square. This is equal to right hand side. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence proved. Next part is 4pq plus 3q whole square minus 4pq minus 3q whole square is equal to 48pq square. Now firstly we will solve the left hand side. This is 4pq plus 3q whole square minus 4pq minus 3q whole square. Now in this question both the identities a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square we will use. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now do the simplifications. Firstly we will use the identity a plus b whole square. This is 4pq square plus 2 multiply 4pq multiply 3q plus 3q whole square minus a minus b whole square. This is 4pq whole square minus 2 multiply 4pq multiply 3q plus 3q whole square. Now do the simplifications. 4 for the 16 p square q square plus 4 2's the 8, 3 is the 24, p q into q is q square, pq square plus 9q square minus 16p square q square minus 24pq square plus 9q square. Now open the brackets. This is 16p square q square plus 24pq square plus 9q square. Open the second bracket. This negative sign will change the sign of all the terms in the bracket. 16 minus 16p square q square minus minus plus 24pq square minus plus minus is 9q square. Now see the like terms. Here this is plus 16p square q square, this is minus p square q square, so they will cancel each other. Plus 24pq square plus 24pq square, this is 48pq square. Now plus 9q square minus 9q square cancel each other. So this is 48pq square, which is equal to right hand side. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence proved. In this way we will prove the given statements. Next part is a minus b into a plus b minus c into b plus c minus a into c plus a is equal to 0. Now firstly do the simplifications on left hand side. This is a minus b into a plus b minus c into b plus c minus a into c plus a. All the terms are of the kind a plus minus b into a plus b. So in all these we will apply the identity a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Now for the first one, it is a square minus b square. Now here it is b minus c into b plus c. So this is plus b square minus c square. Similarly, c minus a into c plus a becomes c square minus a square. Now arrange the like terms. Here a square is with positive sign and this is negative. So plus a square minus a square cancel each other. Similarly, minus b square plus b square cancel each other and minus c square plus c square cancel each other. So the answer is 0, which is equal to right hand side. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence proved. Next question is question number 6. Using identities evaluate 71 square. In this type of questions, we will just change the given number to the nearest tens, hundreds or thousands. As this 71 can be written as 70 plus 1 whole square. So now this is converted into the type of a plus b whole square. So by using identity a plus b whole square, we will find the value of square of 71. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Now the value of a is 70 and b is 1. Substitute the values. Square of 70 plus 2 multiplied by 70 multiplied by 1 plus square of 1. 7 sevens the 4900 plus 2 sevens the 14, 140 plus 1. 4900 plus 140 plus 1 is equal to 5041. This is the answer. In this way, by using the identities, we can find the values of given numbers. Next part is square of 99. This can be written as 100 minus 1 square. So this is the type of a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here the value of a is 100 and b is 1. Substitute the values. 100 square minus 2 multiply 100 multiply 1 plus square of 1. Now square of 100 is 10,000 minus 200 plus 1. 10,000 minus 200 is 9800. 9800 plus 1 is 9801 is the answer. Next is 102 square, which can be written as 100 plus 2 square. This is the type of a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now the value of a is 100, b is 2. We have to just convert the given number in the form of a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. Further, we will use the identity and get the answer. So substitute the values. 100 square plus 2 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 2 plus square of 2. Square of 100 is 10,000 plus 2 2's the 4, 400 plus 4. 10,000 plus 400 plus 4 is 10,404. Next part is 998 square, which is equal to 1000 minus 2 square. Now this is a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here the value of A is 1000 and B is 2. Substitute the values. Square of 1000 minus 2 multiplied by 1000 multiplied by 2 plus square of 2. Square of 1000 is 10 lakh minus 2 2s the 4000 plus 4, which is equal to 996,004. 9,96,004 is the answer. Fifth part is 5.2 square, which is written as 5 plus 0.2 square. Now, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, where a is 5 and b is 0.2. Now, substitute the values. 5 square plus 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 0.2 plus square of 0.2. 5 5s the 25 plus 2 5s the 10 2s the 20. Here as it is a decimal, so it will be 2.0 plus square of 0.2 will be 0.04. So this is equal to, which is equal to 27.04. Next part is 297 multiplied by 303. In this type of question, we will convert this as 300 minus 3, 300 plus 3. This is the type of a minus b into a plus b. So, a minus b into a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. Here the value of a is 300 and b is 3, which is equal to square of 300 minus square of 3. Square of 300 is 3 3 is the 9, 90,000 minus 9, which is equal to 89,991. Next part is 78 multiplied by 82. It can also be written as 80 minus 2 and 80 plus 2. 78 can be written as 80 minus 2 and 82 can be written as 80 plus 2. Now again, this is the type of a minus b into a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. That is, a is equal to 80 and b is equal to 2. Now, substitute the values. Square of 80 minus square of 2, which is equal to 8 8 the 64, 6400 minus 4. Now, this is equal to 6396. Next part is 8.9 whole square, which is equal to 9 minus 0.1 square. Now, this is the type of a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now, the value of a is equal to 9 and b is equal to 0.1. This is square of 9 minus 2 multiply 9 multiply 0.1 plus square of 0.1. Square of 9 is 81. 2 9s the 18, 18 1s the 18, minus 1.8 plus square of 0.1 is 0.01. 81 minus 1.8 is 79.2 plus 0.01 is 79.21 is the answer. Next part is 1.05 multiplied by 9.5. It can be simplified as 105 divided by 100 multiplied by 95 by 10, which is further written as 105 multiplied by 95 divided by 1000. Now 105 and 95 can be written as 100 plus 5, 100 minus 5 upon 1000. Now this is the type of a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. The value of a is 100 and b is 5, which is equal to 100 square minus 5 square divided by 1000. Now square of 100 is 10,000 minus square of 5 is 25 divided by 1000. 10,000 minus 25 is 9,975 divided by 1000. Now put the decimal. It will be equal to 9.975. As it was 1000, so we are to take 3 digits after decimal, that is 9.97 is the answer. So students, this is all about exercise 9.5, question number 5 and 6. Thank you.